Hello everybody, welcome back to Happy English Tutorial channel with Yasin. So once again, we also have a pronunciation lesson today. So as you remember from the previous videos, pronunciation means a combination of a lot of things. So salam እንኳን በሰላም መጣችሁ ወደ Happy English Tutorial channel እኔ ያሲን እባላለሁ። So የዛሬው ክላሳችን ምን ይሆናል? Under pronunciation, consonant cluster. Here you can get the definition. The TA sound. This is the most tricky sound in English, especially if you are Amharic speaker. አማርኛ ቋንቋ ተናጋሪ ከሆነ ብዙዎቹ ያው ሁሉንም የሀገራችንን ቋንቋ ማወቅ አይቻልም። ነገር ግን ብዙ በማስተማርም ኤክስፒሪየንስ ያለኝ አማርኛ ቋንቋ ተናጋሪ ሰዎችን ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ሳውንድ መስራት እጅግ በጣም አስቸጋሪ ሆኖ አግኝቼዋለሁ በብዙ ተማሪዎች ላይ። ስለዚህ ቀለል ያለች ቴክኒክ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። አብረን ፕራክቲስ እያደረግን እንማራለን ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ችግር ምንድነው? በአማርኛ ቋንቋ ዘ የሚል ቃል ነው እንጂ ያለን የሚል ቃል ወይም የሚል ድምጽ በአማርኛ ቋንቋ ውስጥ አይገኝም። በዛም የተነሳ እነዚህን ቃላቶች ወደ አማርኛ በመሳብ ወደ ለዘ የሚቀርብ ድምጽ እያወጣን ነው ፕሮናንስ እያደረግናቸው ያለ ነው። ያ ደግሞ ስህተት ነው። So እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት you can imagine that it's you። ይሄ ስዕል እኔ ነኝ ብላችሁ አስቡ። እንደምታዩት በምስሉ ላይ እዚህ ጋር አንድ ሰው አለ። በላይኛው ጥርሱና በታችኛው ጥርሱ መካከል ምላሱን ከቷል, which means እንደዚህ አይነት ድምጽ በማውጣት ማለት ነው. You can try it. This is the sound of these words. የነዚህ ቃላቶች ድምጽ we don't say they, zru, think እንደዚህ አይደለም የሚሆነው. So we're going to practice them. So the first one, this is not mother. It's not mother, it's mother, 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 mother. So you know the meaning, in case if you don't know, not malas, no. The next one, father, father, not father. Don't forget to repeat after me. Also don't forget to take notes. ማስታወሻ መያዝ ባይረሳ መልካም ነው። እንዲሁም አብራችሁኝ ብትሉት የተሻለ ፕራክቲስ ለማድረግ አመቺ ይሆናል። So mother, father. Next one, not brother, it's brother, brother, brother. Okay, very nice. These, not these. This sound, so these. Next one, that. Next one, these. This word, by the way, does not pronounce like this. It's these. Next one, those. There. Next one, also they have the same pronunciation, there. Next one, not method, actually it's method. Then. Next one, vain. And next one, they. And next one, through. Next one, think. And also the next one, thank. We don't say by the way thank, it's thank. Next one, together. And also the next one, with. And the next one, month. Okay, this is all about the consonant cluster of the TH sound. So once again, mother, father, brother, these, that, these, those, their, another their, method, then, they, through, think, together, with, month. So this is all about the T sound. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you learned some new stuffs. So don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.